Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will enter here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.